Hello guys, welcome back to the class related to the Ansible. So today we are going to see that how we are going to ignore the error related to the playbook. How to ignore error in the playbook. Guys, consider I'm creating one playbook. Vim apply underscore task.yaml in which we are planning to run two tasks. First, we will mention name. Um, Running two tasks. Then hosts, I'm considered prod. Then task machine. In the task machine, first the things that I'm going to write is installation of wrong pkg. So Ansible dot built-in dot dnf. Then I will mention name just like ACADCLP, which is not a right name. Then is state present, and then I will try to install the other genuine package just like installation of web pkg or package. Then I will mention ansible dot built-in dot dnf. Then I will mention name httpd state present. So this is our playbook and we want to run in our system. So not a worry, run this. Before running, we are going to check the syntax, Ansible Navigator run, then apply hyphen name standard output hyphen hyphen syntax check, and we are going to run the playbook after syntax check. So guys, syntax is fine. Now we are going to run. So when you are trying to run, what will be the impact? The first task is having the wrong name, so it will not going to run this specific task. When one task is failed, other task, either it is right or wrong, it is not going to run or check by the system due to the failure of the first task. Let's see. Installation of wrong package. The package name is completely wrong, so it will be failed. Guys, the failure of a wrong package is fine, but it should be run for web package, but it is not run. Why? Because this is the nature of the playbook. Whenever you are running any specific task and one task is getting failed, so other remaining task will be ignored, is not going to run. So now we are going to check how we can remove these types of problem from there. So there is a specific word ignore errors that we can use in order to remove these types of problems. So today we are going to see these types of troubleshooting. Vim apply task, or I will mention just like ignore task error.yaml. So the similar things will be there. I'm just making a little bit modification to make it possible to run. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to first copy the play and just going to modify. So first I will mention cp apply task.yaml and it will be copied there. And now I'm going to edit the other file. So what I have to do, I am aware that this specific task is getting failed. So here I will use ignore errors true. So if this task is getting failed, getting some error, it will be ignored and passed to the next task to check if it is right, it should be run. So let's do. Now we are going to run this new playbook. Ansible Navigator run ignore hyphen yum standard output first syntax check. After syntax check, we are going to run the playbook. So now we are running the playbook from here and we will see it's going to run or not. According to expectation, first will be fail, but it will be ignored and it will be passed to the second task which we have run. Let's see. We have to wait until we are not getting the result. Installation of the wrong package. So it is getting failed, but guys, you can see the symbol it's mentioned here. Ignore means it's ignoring the errors, and say installation of the web package means new task is going to be highlighted. If the package is correct, it's going to be run, and you can see the output. For verification part, if you want, you can run the Ansible, then to that machine, just like prod -m for the command -a, then whatever the command you have to check, just like dnf list installed stdpd. So you can check and verify that the package is installed on the specific host or not. So see guys, the specific package is installed there. So this is all about how you are going to ignore any specific task failure inside your system. So that's all for today guys. We will meet again in next video. Bye.